What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing like a self-care routine. I woke up this morning just like feeling like I need some self-care. I gotta wash my hair, put on some tan, maybe do some face masks, shave my face, I don't know, but I'm just ready to get glam and dolled up for the week. Today is Monday, so I just want to feel good for the week, you know, have my hair done. I really want to do a nice blowout, so I figured I would just turn on the camera and just like take you guys with me and show you my full little self-care day that I'm doing today. As you can see, I am like super pale right now. I have absolutely no tan on. I just woke up like an hour ago, ate some breakfast, watched some Desperate Housewives while I ate some breakfast, which I just started and I'm really loving it. But yeah, now I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash this hair. Let's show you guys what I'm working with. Crazy wild hair that is greasy and needs a wash. I've actually been really loving my hair color now that like my natural, I always get questions about my color, by the way, but like this is my natural hair color. I just have a little bit of like leftover dye on the ends, but now that like my roots have fully grown out, more than like 80% of my hair is my natural color. Like I said, I just have some leftover on the ends now. So I'm so happy because before I had all that like leftover dye all over my hair and it was like all orangey, and now I just have like my nice hair color. So I'm excited to just do like a nice little blowout. So I don't know about you guys, but like a big part of self-care for me is just making sure that I buy nice things that just make me feel good and make me look good, like whether it be new clothing items, new makeup, new bras, just getting things that fit good, look good, it just makes me feel good. So I'm super excited to share with you guys Naywhy. I'm actually gonna go ahead and play the clip now for you guys, that way you can check it out before I go ahead and wash my hair and everything. So huge shout out to Naywhy for sponsoring today's video. So this is the Barely Zero bra, you guys. This is the best bra I have ever tried in my life. Like, look at how seamless and comfy it is. There's absolutely no wires, so it's not uncomfortable at all, but it still provides so much support. You guys know I don't have like perky boobs, so look at how like this is giving me so much lift but so much comfort at the same time. Like hands down, this is the most comfortable bra I've ever tried. I'm not even joking. I have been wearing this black non-stop underneath hoodies, underneath tees, sweaters, tops, everything. Like so comfortable. Also, you guys would be shocked by how stretchy this fabric is. It is one size, but their tagline is your size is the size. So it is completely just like it goes with you with any weight changes. These are the most comfy panties ever. And again, they're completely seamless. I love the high-waisted because they sit so nicely on your tummy and it's just such a flattering shape when it's high-waisted. And they sell the most comfiest PJs in the entire world, you guys. Like these are so comfy and so cozy. They're incredibly soft and incredibly smooth. So if you guys want to get 20% off Naywhy, then you can go ahead and use my code Amy and get 20% off. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Before that though, I just want to mention I wish I could get my nails done so bad, but we are in lockdown again in Ontario. For those of you who are in the US, I feel like the COVID restrictions are like so much less there, which I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, whatever. I'm not here to discuss that, okay? But what I am here to discuss is the fact that we are in lockdown again in Ontario. Like literally everything is closed. You can only do like curbside pickup. So the nail salons are closed and I can't get my nails done. So that's why they look like trash. So don't judge me. So to wash my hair, I always make sure it's super soaked in water because I feel like you get the best lather that way when you put shampoo. I don't know if you guys feel the same. So I'm always like sitting there soaking it for so long. And I always bring my face wash in the shower too. My favorite shampoo, the Function of Beauty. This is not sponsored. They've actually never sponsored me and I actually purchased this myself. Shocking, right? A YouTuber buying her own Function of Beauty. But I just love it. It lathers up so nicely. It smells so good. The smell really lingers and stays on your hair for a few days. And I wash my hair once a week, so that's really important for me. A good lather and a long-lasting scent. So yeah, I do it at the roots and then let it kind of trickle down. Hair mask, this has been my favorite for years. I absolutely love it. It really keeps my hair super healthy and really deep conditioned. You guys will notice later in the video that it's really easy to brush out my hair after because there's like no tangles, because literally this mask detangles your hair, makes it so soft and smooth. Your brush will just run right through your hair and it makes my hair super shiny. So Yeah, you'll notice that I'm like taking my fingers and brushing it through. That really helps me spread the product around. Now I'm taking an exfoliating brush and this body wash and scrubbing my arms because I have something called keratosis pilaris, which is not fun if you guys know what that is. And then I'm just putting some conditioner on my ends, not on the roots, just the mid to ends. And I went ahead and shaved as well. There's this big misconception that if you get laser hair removal, you never have to shave again, and that's not true. I've had about 13 sessions of laser hair removal, and it does remove your hair for the most part, but you still need to shave every once in a while. And I spared you guys a close-up clip of me doing this, but I did shave my feet using this feet shaver. If you don't own one of these, you absolutely need them. They're everything. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and put some lotion on my body. My favorite one, most of you already know, the cocoa butter. I've been using this for like 5 years. No, it is not just for pregnant women. I've been using it for like 4 or 5 years now. I'm obsessed with this one, so good. Skincare I've been keeping super simple. Right now I'm just gonna put my hyaluronic acid. This one is by Pharmacy, the Filling Good. I love this serum. You can see how red my face is right there. I don't know why my skin gets like that sometimes after a long hot shower. And some moisturizer. I'm not putting sunscreen today just because I am going to tan soon. So it's like, yeah, just keeping my skin simple. And my favorite chapstick, the Honey Butter. And now let's do this hair. So I'm really craving just like a nice blowout for the week. First thing I'm gonna use is this. I love this so much. This is the BB Hairdresser's Oil. It's like a heat protectant, but it just makes your hair so nice and soft. I usually do this over the sink so that I don't get like product all over my floor. But you know, got a whole setup going on here. My sink is like kind of blocked, so. So now I'm just gonna brush out my hair. You can see it's not that hard to brush out or detangle. There's a little bit of tangle there, but not too hard, and that's because of the hair mask that I use. It is everything. Look at how like fresh my skin looks. Also, I decided I'm not gonna do a face mask just because I'm gonna tan, so it's like I just don't really want to like open my pores right now or anything. Yeah, so to give my hair a nice beautiful blowout, I'm going to be using this. I think this is called the Revlon Hot Air Kit. I actually saw this from Nazanin Kavari. If you guys don't follow her, you have to check her out. I'm obsessed with her channel. But I saw her using this and I just fell in love. It gives you so much more of like a bouncy blowout curl rather than the other Revlon brush. I love the other Revlon brush, but it gives you more of like a straight blowout, which I still love. It's just different styles, you know? So I love this one. It gives you a nice little bouncy curls at the end. So I'm gonna use this for today. I'm not gonna lie, like this hair tool is kind of like cheap in the sense where it literally won't turn on right now. And there you go. And like sometimes I have to press the reset button. Yeah, like it's not the highest quality tool ever, but it works so good. Like I wish they would like re-release it and like update it better quality, but it does the job. Like it works so good, and it's cheap though, so it's not like you're paying a lot of money, right? So if you really want your hair to be super volumized, it really helps if you turn your head upside down and you blow dry your roots upside down. That way when you put your head up, you have like a bounce. Also, I forgot to mention, you don't want your hair to be like soaking wet when you do this. You want it to just be kind of like damp. If you want to get like a curl like that at the end, you just kind of keep like when you get to the end, you just keep rotating and rotating and rotating, and then that's how. So sometimes I'll do that at the root where I literally just hold it at the root, and that makes it nice and volumized. See? Gives it a bounce. Just taking the front part of my hair now and doing it all together. And I like to add rollers. Not everywhere because, you know, like I said, I'm low maintenance here, so it's just too exhausting to do it everywhere. But especially on that front piece. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you can do a few more all over. I've done that before too. Like usually I'll actually put more, but today, honestly, I'm not really going anywhere. I just want to feel cute, so I'm not gonna do the most here. So now it is time to tan. I'm gonna use my Bondi Sands Aero Ultra Dark, and then I'm gonna use the Loving Tan Deluxe Face Cream. Sometimes I put the Bondi Sands on my face, but I do just like this one because it's specifically for the face. I also love this tanning water, so I'll put this on later on at night, just that when I wake up tomorrow morning, I have like an extra tan on my face because the face tan kind of, you know, goes away quickly. So I've showed you guys my tanning routine before. I have a full dedicated video if you guys want to check out my tanning routine, then I will leave the link down below. But as of right now, yeah, I feel like I don't need to go over it again. So I'm gonna go from pale to tan. And here we are, all tan. I feel good now. There's just nothing like putting on a fresh tan. If you self-tan, then you know. If you know, you know. You know. Wow, look, honey, I kind of like my hair to the side like that. So ignore the frizz when we go over. You see how like the rollers give it even more of a hold? All right, that's it. And then I usually just like let my hair fall and part where it wants to, because then I feel like it looks the most like natural that way. So I highly recommend you guys get a wide comb like this, because it's perfect when you do your hair and you don't want to like brush out the curls too much, but you still need to kind of like brush your hair. This is good, you know, because it just like separates everything and like lightly brushes it without, you know, I feel like that looks so pretty. So now it's honestly just gonna be letting my tan sit and kind of bake for about 6 hours, and then I'll come back, wash it off and everything. But that's pretty much it. Just honestly taking a nice shower, exfoliating, shaving, washing my hair, putting on some tan, doing my hair just makes me feel so good. And now for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna relax, chill, probably watch some Desperate Housewives, cook some food, and that's a form of self-care too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed just coming along with me. I figured I would just vlog it. Like today I needed a self-care day, so I figured why not turn on the camera and vlog it and take you guys with me. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.